Yeah, cool man, really cool guys, man. Okay, we're here today at Ben's. Ben's at work. Look at this, man. Some new wheels, new to me. 8.5. -8 for the Bic. 8s are going in the front because I don't want to run max canter anymore.
Why does it look like the same offset?
That's a -14. This is a
Right.
-8.
What?
It's B and A type. I think these are the A's.
Why is this like the same size lip?
I think it is. So the reason I have these, like I said, so I don't want to run crazy canter and poke anymore because I'm scared. And also I was kind of just over the look. So yeah, my old 15s are for sale. If you want.
I got new wheels coming tomorrow, man.
Adam also has new wheels, brand new. Crazy. Really cool, man. Kobe's wheels still not here.
Kobe's wheels are never coming.
We're gonna go mount tires on these. These are going in the back. Those 8s are going in the front. 7.5s are going back to Ben. Cool, man.
What tires are those? Cocomelon! Noah was born a woman. He smells like otter dick cheese. Oh, R34 gone, bro. R30 out of commission, bro. Ben cracked your old pan on the R30. He's getting it welded right now. Noah's taking the valves off these because he's a scunch bag.
I need them, bro.
Okay.
For sale, dude. Hit me up if you want these.
Just grab the two for now. Then.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this door one handy. So you put this shit through.
Look at all my uneven canter wear.
From having canter, bro. I think Ben was using a drop of Dawn instead of the old liquid nitrogen, bro. Bro, fucking lubrication, bro.
Wow.
Scope how fucking lube that is, bro.
Dude, Dawn.
The old hand mount, man. A drop of Dawn and tires mounted. See, that's what you get when you're like a tire tech and lube tech for so long, like me. Just freaking slap it on. I don't think we'll have to blast these.
Why not?
Which is fucking chill, bro. That's filling?
Dude, we gave her the old cheetah treatment. She's all schmounted. Barely any stretch, which is kind of cool. Crazy.
Drop it on. The tire is on.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's value. Nice. Nice cock.
Oh, that was tight. Man, I was having this thing where, like, when I need to pee, my stomach starts to really hurt. I'm kind of concerned.
Maybe your stomach and your piss reservoir is connected,
I'm
man.
gonna like piss, peaches, and cream.
Oh no.
Comment below what's the longest pee you've ever taken.
I think I've capped it out at 11 minutes.
The other day I literally took like, I swear it was a 2-minute piss.
That's pretty crazy, bro. My hands look like this. So my Fitbit can look like this. Taking one wheel off to put exactly almost the same one on.
Yeah.
Swap that hoe out. Oh, that was a cool mod, bro.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Good wheel swapping guy. When we jack up the front, you should take your front canter plate.
Canter delete.
Yeah, front canter plate, canter delete. Now we're gonna take the tire off this. No one likes to get pissed. Take it out. Speed splashed it.
This looks kind of fluff.
Looks like you're slammed for once though.
Dude, it's like on the very edge.
Well,
I
then,
feel like when I go down, it's not going to adjust enough.
then fix it, man.
Don't stop me now.
If anyone wants right hand drive, auto 318i 4-door. Japanese import. 146,000 K on it. Super mint actually, it's really dirty right now, but
8.5s are on. Looks pretty fire, man. Has to go lower, but like pretty good. Looks the exact same as the 8 did. Cool. Now we're swapping the tires from the 7.5s onto the 8s to go in the front. Clean, man. Really cool, man. Alright, dude. Look at that. Looks cool, man. Happy with it. We gotta adjust the filaments for sure. It's gotta come down like 2 inches in the back.
How are you gonna do that with your bumper though? Are you just going to not be post for?
Alright, we're gonna clean up, put the bumper back on. Well, we should see how low we can get it to go without it being sketched.
Right now?
No, not right now. I'm over it.
Fucking ghost skull.
Crazy. With the skull though for the...
Which wouldn't, like, it wouldn't be slammed, you wouldn't rub. You only have to go down like less than 1.5 inches. And this ground clearance isn't right because it's like at an angle, so this is tighter than it would be, and you have over 2. So you probably still have 1 inch of clearance in this. Which is more than I have on my bumper. Plus it's at an angle, so it's higher up when it's not here. And if you want back, and then you can match it to this, because back here you'd only have to go down exactly 1 inch. You should do that, bro, because right now you kind of look like Pussy.
Yeah, it looks a bit like garbage, bro.
You look like YouTuber Pussy Tube or whatever. Yeah, man. You should do that.
Yeah, okay, bro.
And then buy some spray foam.
Uncle Joel's hack that he told us about. Spray foam the inside of the bumper on the bottom, so when you absolutely obliterate yourself on the pavement, the fiberglass all stays together.
That's cool, man. Gatorades!
Alright, dudes. It's the next day. What we did is we came back from Ben's and we forgot to outro the video, so we're doing it now.
Doing it now.
So
I like the milk from a cat.
they're on. I dumped a whole bottle of tire shine on my tires. We pulled the canter out, which will be in the next video. The next video after the next video, after another video, it's gonna be us slamming the car. Cause you can see I got some ugly fitment. And we need to fix that.
And then you need to get some paint.
And then we need to sand my car.
Sand it, bitch.
After this video, you're probably gonna see us putting seats in Adam's car. And then after that video, the next video will be us installing a Tomei fuel pressure regulator into my car.
Then after that video, you're probably gonna see some new wheels on my car.
Then after that video,
Ben's.
you're gonna see some CA content and some R32 content. And then after that video, you're gonna see some S14 content.
What is 14 content? Oh, and then you're gonna see some sanding content. So there's content out the fucking ass.
And then after that, you're gonna see some Max Peating Rods content.
And then after that, you're gonna see some painting car content. And maybe some new merchandise, bitch.
Yeah. Well, that's that, everybody.
Wow.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video.
Don't you just have a lot to look forward to?
We're on the road to 100K, so be sure to hit that subscribe button.
Hit the notification bell, like the video, and maybe even comment.
Smash that like button.
What color should Noah paint his car? Leave it down below.
I've already decided that, but you can leave your opinion down below on what color I think I should paint my car. You think I should paint my car. I know what color I'm painting my car. What color would you paint my car?
Leave your opinion down below, even though I don't give a flying fuck.
I don't give a flying rat's ass what you think. But comment down below anyways.
Off camera, we killed a bee that actually had a parasite inside of it. It was infected.
That was not in this video. That was in the next video.
It's not in the video. Joke's on you. But it happened during the next video after the next video. In front of the other video.
That's really crazy. What we're talking about right now is just insane.
If you like this content, even though we already said it, please comment, like, and subscribe. Please, for the love of everything holy.
Once
need
again,
it.
we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers.
Also, if you'd like anything from our web store, currently it's all 20% off using the coupon code 100K at checkout.
You might be wondering why we sound like this. Well, to be quite frank, off camera,
Run for the boys!
Shut the fuck up, Colby. Now I'm gonna go use this cap as a condom. See you later, gang.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube. The best kind.